Like other part of India, Strife-torn state Manipur has also gears up for ensuing 18th Lok Sabha election. Altogether, 10 candidates will be contesting for 2 Member of Parliament seat in Lok Sabha allotted to state. Manipur, one of the northeastern states of India with a geographical area of 22,327 square kilometer, 60 assembly constituencies and 16 districts got a share of 2 MP seats in Lok Sabha. The 2 seats are named as Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. The Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency comprises of 47 assembly segments, while the Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency consists of 13 assembly segments. As per 2011 census report, total number of populations is 28,55,794. Out of it, number of electors is 20,29,601. Out of it, male voters is 9,80,989, female is 10,48,364, and transgender is 248. The election will be held in 2 phases. The number of voters to cast the election on first phase, which falls on April 19, is 15,44,652. Out of it, male voters is 7,41,849, female is 8,02,557, and third gender is 246. For second phase, which scheduled on April 26, the number of voters is 4,84,949. The number of male voter is 2,39,140, female elector is 2,45,807, and third gender is 2. The total number of polling stations is 2,955, number of special polling station is 94, and number of critical and vulnerable polling station is 1,058. Special arrangement for internally displaced people due to ongoing crisis has been taken up to ensure that their voting rights are exercised. As per this special provision, IDPs of the state will cast their vote at the relief camps, but they will be considered as ordinary residents of the place where they have been displaced from and hence will be treated as electors of the original place. Designated assistant returning officers will be appointed for each district for the purpose. A special polling station will be set up for a cluster of polling stations. For Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, 6 candidates were nominated. They are Republican Party of India, Atawales, Mesur Thaunauzam, BJP's Thaunauzam Basantakumar, Singh Congress Angomcha Bimol Koijam, and RK Somendro Elias Kaiku, Moirangthem Tomtom Sana Nongshaba, Haurungbam Sarat Singh as an independent candidate. Whereas for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, 4 candidates are vying for election. They are Congress Alfred Kangam, S. Arthur, NPF's Kachui Timotheus Jimmick, and Elishan Abonmai, S. Ko John as independent candidate.